Coco knows how to open the door.
Oh yeah.
Only he does.
Yeah, the dog. You have to make it make a tune.
Only
Make a song. Okay, come on.
I got only have a bamba.
Shimano. Come on, Shimano.
Oh, you got the name already?
Come on, Sky. Yeah, that
Shimano
was
just sounds like
Oh,
Japanese.
we're having a pop.
Oh, that's why he was kind of.
Up, 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 up. That's good. Pick it up, move it away. Yeah, gone, done. Yeah, my goodness.
Oh,
Another
I thought he's gonna pee you. But
Another one?
No.
Usually they'll go
sorry.
back to the potty patch thing.
he did a shape.
But this is the first time they've been loose on this floor, so
Oh, is this past that?
they're busy exploring, I think. Are you exploring? Are you exploring?
Who's this again? This guy.
That's Sky.
Sky?
No, that's my girl. I haven't named her yet.
Oh, okay. It's your. Oh, that's her. Okay. Do you know what? I didn't get any your face. Ouch. Where's your bluebone? You brought for puppy, right? Oh, you gave it to Griffon.
Come on, another one doing another poop. Ooh, good kids. Good kids. Let's have it. Let's have it. Good boy, Aaron. Good boy.
The mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy telling you
Yeah.
off.
Yeah, see how she disciplines them.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, puppies.
Although what she's disciplining her for, I don't know. I don't think
I
she...
think because of this girl wanted to have a drink, and then she said, "Get them on, stop. Okay, because they are communication with each other, so don't interrupt." Okay.